CBN, Nigeria Central Bank, don't bring one kind new law. They talk say anybody, you know they hear, anybody will spray money for party, you go prison. And I don't hear this new one. Anybody will spray ego, sika l'argent for party, na jail you dey go. Now wow, Nigeria every day, mumu law. Wahala for who no even get money because some people say party where they go, they don't even get 5 million to go spray. Now that means Lagos Owambe don't scatter be that oh. And I know that they spray money for Owambe party now. This one don't bust oh. They don't even start to they warn people now. Government don't come outside they talk and this one don't be say and I'm out oh. What they make they even bring this law? They talk saying people sabi squeeze money. Say we sabi squeeze money and if we dey spray money, you know say if you spray and we say bride go come they dance, they match am. If they do wedding, people go they match money. If they do so, all this one saying abuse of currency. This law, you overshock me. Abuse of currency. And the person who talk this one, in name now, Aladdin Badejo, and I'm the Assistant Director of Currency Operations Department. I don't they talk am now, making a no go do mistake. Maybe I don't they dance, they can't go bring out more. In fact, before you even do the more, police don't carry you, go enter prison. Make you dey very careful. And they talk say, anybody where they catch, they don't put sentence inside this whole thing. No? So you will go 6 months. When not be 1 month, you know tifo. You go 6 months for prison. If person can't tifo, what the person won't go? 6 months and say after that 6 months, the fee even still pity you. Pity you. Say okay, make you no go this prison. Say you go pay 50,000 naira. 50,000 naira, and if you go over bad, maybe they can't look you say, and your face strong, your face wawa. Say they want increase this money. Say in fact you go the prison. After the prison, you go still come pay this 50,000 naira. Ninja CBN. In fact, we be thief, we be criminal. People when they do party things, all these government people will bring this law. You don't go there party rich. Okay, I don't even think if like say they put this law because of say them they know they spray naira. Because of say na dollar and euro na they spray. Now me the conscience say for the poor people when no get money to spray dollar, make they spray the naira. Now wow, if like say now if I dey go party na agbalumo and pineapple go dey put because as money no dey, mo kuku dey spray fruit. Make people they enjoy at least that one they no fit arrest anybody for this whole matter na. Nigeria na wow, every day new mumu law. Mumu law when even get sense. When be say if you hear themselves, you fit even get heart attack. If like this our government, I don't even understand. So what? How well they want taste sweet if they no spray money? Person where don't cook rice, raise them canopy, pay for ashwebi. You don't know say that from this praying if they dance, now they see their money back. So now I want to turn everything to make us say modern way. Now I feel say the best way we na go take do am. And I want spray money. That means now no more spraying of 100 naira. Wait, we go change them 5 naira. Can't say one can spray. You go put the money inside envelope. Go give the bride. Now the only solution, no. Because if not, party no fit sweet. Everywhere go bust. Everything go dey very bad. In fact, low button, all titan because nothing fit even happen. Party no fit sweet again. As I say the thing, it no fit even sweet. What do you want to do? They will come call the bride. And ladies and gentlemen, here you now go dance tire. Sweat. People go there help in clean sweat because 5 naira on no go see. Some people say never they carry money go wedding before. All of them are just karama. So this one where government don't even come pull up. It don't finish, oh. It don't finish. But this way, it go affect Anambra people. Anambra Kwenu, hey, they know say that these people, there's a big spray money well. But this way they don't. I should say no Anambra myself go grieve for this thing. They go still come as I can't complain because there's a big spray money. You don't go there party rich. In fact, the kind money you go hungry, you may even go put gum under your shoe. They thief this money. There's a big spray money. So this kind of way government bring for me, it never even work at all. Making a finance and go to do them. Maybe I go turn the money to dollar. Make kuku they spray dollar. Make case close. This is when I say naira. Now I get the money. Now when I get the money to do that kind of to they spray dollar. People will no get. I beg they go still continue. And anybody where government catch, I don't tell you now. I know that's not what they do. Whether now na party na go hide them. Do one for slow key. Make people never know say that they do anything. Because if they catch on now, they go prison, no, and maybe for 1 month. 6 whole months. Making a day very careful. I don't tell you now. And so I go end this story. Anything when I feel. Making a write for the comment section. This is how government bring you law. I know say go the vaccine for body. But anything when I like, making a write. You go comment on everything when I write for you. Then making a don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for our next video. My people, now every day, now in Nigeria, they commit sin. Now we sin pass for this world, I be waiting they even happen. Now only us get problem for this country. For this world, anywhere you go here, say Nigerian person don't do something. Nigerian person na in dey kill, na in dey fight, na in dey do. Waiting. God don't assign us say everything for this world. Now we go dey do am. They just arrest one 23-year-old guy. Oh, you know what they arrest him for? For drug trafficking. For Vietnam. You go another person country, go dey smuggle drugs. You know they even fear their law. Say if they catch you, your own don't bust. You get mind, go there. This man name, what they call him? Theophilus Ugu. They say they charge him for illegal trafficking or for narcotic substance. So whether na Ugu they cook soup, I be na Ugu I don't even know. Mr. Ugu, you can't go, you know see better work, you don't even see cleaner work do. Now this kind of work now you can't see. Now they don't arrest you. See as you do hand, say now only one times now you do them. Who want know say now only one times you do them? If you don't they do them since uncle. As they can't catch you now, you won't come they beg. This man now, the Western Police of Tay-Nam, Vietnam, now in catch am. As the story be, they say for March 8, 2020, now this man, they see him with 12 bags where they contain meth. For Cambodia, in the carry from Cambodia, go Vietnam. And as in they go, they ask him say, as they catch him, they ask him say, how this story they happen? He say, in come this place as a footballer. He go there say, na ball I want go play. He go Cambodia for February, say he want go play ball. As in which year, he come meet another African man. Now that one come tell and say, make him come Vietnam, say they go use him. Say he get one kind of football team, maybe say they go pay him well for that kind of place. Now my brother can't agree. He no say na there. Now they go lead himself into debt. As he come agree now, the man come tell and say he could carry this kind bag, carry go Vietnam. You self as you mumu rich, you know ask say, wetin dey inside this bag? You just carry bag. But he claim say they pay him $1,000. $1,000, how much that one won't even do? As they arrest you now, that one now, they like, make I say 400,000, be 500,000 for Naira. What think that money won't do for you? Because as they arrest you now, in fact, that money, your family go fit even pay that money. But as it don't be like this, we know say this kind of country, if they arrest you, all their law, na debt. They know they pity person. When you even be African self, they go look yourself, you know say white people, they know they too like going boy, a black person like that. Now they don't carry you, they don't sentence you to death. For something wey be say you no even reach death matter. Say you carry cocaine. People wey they carry them since they kill them. But now you can't go another person country where you know say this country now death now be almost all their laws. You carry cocaine, no death. Anything where you do, most of their laws, everything. If you even be saying a chicken, small thing, they go kill you. As you know like this, why you can't risk your life? Something when you even reach anything now, they won't kill you on top of them. But waiting our president get to talk about this matter. Because some people, they go carry them, go other countries, they go arrest them for there. But now the president and I will come talk, okay, may they bring this person, come back Nigeria, we go handle this matter by ourselves. But now our president, you know they talk, you know they even care. Which kind of president be this? Buhari, we don't tire for your matter. You know they do anything. If you know say this office don't tire you, Kuku come down now, make another person take over. Who even want take over self? Oh no, we go fit help this country all day because we don't dey in so many mess, so many things they happen where we no even fit talk. If you talk, they go kill you. The one when no talk self, you go die in silence. Hey, now wow, things they really happen. Now we hear say courts don't already sentence them, so nothing where they go even fit do because they don't already tell them say they go kill them. So I don't know be anything go fit happen again as they don't already sentence them. But my own advice now, they no suppose kill this person, no, because the thing no even reach death at all. He no kill person now. She be na person wey kill person and they kill person. They no kill him. He no kill anybody. Now just drug wey be say even with 500,000 in family self even pay that money. But you can't agree now say may they kill you for waiting. Make we dey careful oh. Your friend go travel abroad say come play ball. You don't know better than a real ball. You self can't go, you just miss person, you don't know the work where the person they do. Person tell you say come help me carry bag. You know check the bag, you carry the bag. As they can't catch you now, with the road where you even pass safe. They say that road people know they too pass am. So who even teach you that road? You suppose know say that means you know say something dey inside that bag na make you pass that road. Because if you get clear mind, you know say you no carry anything, you go pass normal road where everybody dey pass now. Because you know say you sef you carry illegal substance na make you dey hide go dey pass corner wuru wuru make dem no see you. And these people, as their law strong, they don already catch you. Now you come dey find mercy make we pity you. Hey my people, make una sef comment about this matter o. This thing wey this killing wey dem wan kill am like this, e no sweet me at all because e no reach make this guy die. Wetin una think about this matter? Wetin una think say they suppose do? Make dem release am back to Nigeria abi make dem just kill am for there, make him funeral, make him family do burial for here for Nigeria for am? E pay me o. If him family sef know say dem go fit pay that money, make dem pay am back because this money no even plenty. If dem know say dem go fit pay am, make dem release this man, make this man come back to our Nigeria in peace. If una get anything wey una wan talk, make una no forget to comment o. Make una like, share and also subscribe to this video as we get better tori for now. I go dey see una for our next story.